In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Facebook in AdsPower. Let's walk through the setup process clearly so you can create a proper Facebook profile inside AdsPower with the right basic settings from the start. First, open AdsPower and look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the blue New Profile button. Go ahead and click that to begin creating a fresh browser profile. This is where all of your configuration settings for the account will be set up, so it's a good place to slow down and make sure everything is selected correctly. Once the profile window opens, type in a recognizable name for the profile. Choose something simple and organized that helps you identify the account later at a glance. A clear naming format makes profile management much easier, especially if you plan to work with multiple accounts over time. Try to keep the name practical and consistent so your dashboard stays tidy. Next, find the browser engine section and select Sun Browser, which is Chromium-based. This option is recommended because Facebook is heavily optimized for Chromium browsers. In practice, that usually means better compatibility, smoother performance, and a lower chance of running into stability issues while using the platform. It also helps the browsing environment appear more natural for this type of account activity. After that, choose the operating system you want the profile to use. Windows or Mac OS are both standard choices and are commonly associated with real desktop users. Selecting a mainstream operating system helps the profile look more typical and consistent with normal browsing behavior. Finally, go to the Account Platform drop-down menu and select Facebook. This step is useful because it creates a quick launch shortcut directly on your dashboard, making it faster and easier to open the profile and access Facebook later without extra navigation. Once these settings are in place, your Facebook profile configuration in AdsPower is ready for the next stage.